I have a free motion quilting and ruler quilting tip for you, especially for large quilts. The A Day Away Mystery Quilt is a large quilt to quilt on a sit down and especially a home machine. We need the weight of the quilt not to interfere with the quilting process. So I use this 2-arm suspension system. It comes with these 2 rods. Each of those rods have a grip texture to them so that when you wrap the fabric around it, it holds the fabric. Then you can put on the clamp and it holds it in place. And it's easy to open the clamps. You don't need a lot of pressure, a lot of arm strength, hand strength to do it. The arms are rigid yet flexible. You can bend the arms into any position you want and then it will hold that position. Yet it's flexible. So as you're quilting, you will see the arms moving back and forth. Watch carefully in the video. It's subtle, but they are moving as I quilt. And here is an overhead view where you can see the arm. As I begin to quilt, you'll see both arms move very gently, yet without compromising the quilting experience. This quilting suspension system was provided by my friends at Sew Steady. The opinions I share are my own. Let's take a closer look at the suspension system. It includes 2 arms with blue clamp tighteners at the bottom. The foot on each arm is a spacer so that it can fit most tables. It also includes 2 black spacers or rods. At the end of each arm are 2 clamps. This is a simple yet effective suspension system.